I'm Peter Voser, the CEO of Shell. Let me give you some highlights from our fourth quarter and 2010 results and strategy delivery. Full year CCS earnings, excluding identified items, were $18 billion, an EPS increase of 56%, and Q4 results were $4.1 billion, an EPS increase of 49%. Our 2010 earnings increased substantially from 2009 levels, driven by improving industry fundamentals and Shell's production growth and cost performance. Our 2010 oil and natural gas production volumes were 3.3 million BOEs per day, an increase of 5%. LNG sales volumes increased by 25%, with a continued growth in downstream. Both our fourth quarter and full year earnings were supported by higher oil prices and chemical margins. However, we did see the impact of weak refining margins, pressure on natural gas prices in some regions, and strong volatility in downstream marketing margins as a result of rising oil prices. In 2010, Shell made good progress on implementing strategy, improving near-term performance, delivering a new wave of production growth, and maturing the next generation of growth options for shareholders. Our underlying costs declined by $2 billion in 2010 compared to 2009, bringing the total underlying cost reduction to $4 billion from 2009 and 2010 combined, a reduction of some 10%. We sold $7 billion of non-core assets in 2010, bringing total asset sales in the last 5 years to some $30 billion, or a rollover of about 20% of our capital employed. We have delivered our 2010 and 11 asset sales targets ahead of schedule, and I'm expecting some $5 billion of disposals for 2011. Shell's growth programs are on track. In 2010, we started up 6 key projects in upstream and downstream, and our projects in Qatar, that's LNG and GTL, are going well. I'm very pleased to see these projects coming on stream as we had planned, and these projects underpin Shell's targets for an 11% production increase from 2009 to 2012, and a 50 to 80% increase in cash flow from operations measured at $60 and $80 oil prices. These are ambitious targets, but we are on track. Looking at the longer term, we took 2 final investment decisions for deepwater projects. We acquired new gas resources in the US, Australia and China, and moved forward with biofuels in Brazil. We will continue to invest for medium-term growth to create value for our shareholders, balancing returns today with investments for the future. In 2010, Shell paid dividends of some $10 billion, the largest in our sector, underlying our commitment to shareholder returns. I expect 2011 net capital investments of some $25 to $27 billion as we invest for future growth. Let me sum up. We are making good progress against our targets, and there is more to come from Shell. Thank you.